Hello everyone, we were studying MCQs of Biology class 11th chapter Biological Classification. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 35 तक हम प्रीवियस वीडियो में कर चुके हैं. ठीक है. द साइट ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन इन बैक्टीरिया इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट हेयर. ठीक है. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट हेयर मीजोजोम्स. ठीक है. नहीं सॉरी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी मीजोजोम्स. ठीक है. The cytoplasmic membrane of bacteria is invaginated at certain places into the cytoplasm in the form of tubules, which are called mesosomes. On their surface are found enzymes associated with respiration. Mesosomes also work as mitochondria in bacterial cell. Question number 37. Influenza virus has option number B is correct, RNA. Influenza virus is single-stranded RNA virus which cannot serve directly as mRNA but rather as templates for mRNA synthesis via a viral transcriptase. Influenza virus infect the respiratory tract and causing influenza. Influenza viruses generally cause common cold in humans. Okay. Question number 38. In bacterial chromosome, the nucleic acid polymers are circular DNA molecules. ठीक है. Nucleoid or chromatin body or genophore in bacteria occupies 10 to 20% of the cell, is present near the center of the cell. It consists of a single circular DNA molecule in which all the genes are linked. It is over 1,000 times longer than the cell itself and is therefore highly folded. It lacks the histone proteins. Question number 39. Sex factor in bacteria is option number B is correct here. Option number B is correct here. Bacterial strains such as of E. coli show sexual differences. Each male cell possesses a sex factor or fertility factor called F factor. In fact, it is a small circular piece of DNA self-replicating like bacterial chromosomes but only 1 upon 100 in size. F factor codes for the protein of a special type of pilus, the sex pilus, which enables cell-to-cell contact and transfer of genetic material through a conjugation tube. Question number 40. Interferons are antiviral proteins. Interferons are antiviral proteins, regulatory glycoproteins produced in virus-infected cell for defense. Non-antigenic proteins होते हैं ये. ठीक है. Question number 41. The plasmid, option D is correct here, is the genetic part in addition to DNA in microorganisms. Plasmids are small self-replicating extra-chromosomal non-essential genetic elements in bacteria. Each plasmid has a ring of circular supercoiled double-stranded DNA. They carry genes for replication and for one or more cellular non-essential function. These are called mini chromosomes or dispensable autonomous elements. Question number 42. Tobacco mosaic virus genes are single-stranded RNA. Tobacco mosaic virus elongated rod shaped होता है. Most thoroughly studied plant virus है. 95% प्रोटीन है इसमें, 5% RNA है. RNA is genomic genetic material which is single stranded, linear, helically coiled है. ठीक है. Question number 43. Temperature tolerance of thermal blue-green algae is due to cell wall structure. Cyanobacteria provide a good example of the capability of life to extremes of environment, high temperature of hot springs and low temperature of polar region. It is due to their gelatinous sheath that can withstand long period of desiccation, the compactness of protein molecules and their bonds in the protoplasm also help the cell to face the extreme. Question number 44. Escherichia coli is used extensively in biological research as it is a ईजीली कल्चर्ड हो जाती है इकोलाई. ठीक है. इकोलाई कमर्शियल बैक्टीरिया है, मोस्ट स्टडीड बैक्टीरिया है, वाइडली यूज्ड होता है रिसर्च में बिकॉज इट इज़ ईजीली कल्चर्ड ऑन मिनिमल मीडियम एंड हैज़ फास्ट रेट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड शॉर्ट जनरेशन टाइम. आगे के क्वेश्चंस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑन दिस चैनल वी विल प्रोवाइड यू बेस्ट कंटेंट ऑफ पीसीबी. इफ़ माई वीडियोज़ आर हेल्पफुल फॉर यू देन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल लर्निंग पॉइंट. थैंक यू.